Managing donor relationships effectively is crucial for any nonprofit organization, and Donorbox CRM is designed to make this process seamless. As an all-in-one donor management and fundraising platform, Donorbox helps nonprofits, charities, and other fundraising organizations build stronger relationships with donors, track contributions, and optimize donation campaigns. Unlike traditional CRMs that are primarily built for businesses, Donorbox is specifically tailored for nonprofits, offering intuitive tools for online fundraising, donor engagement, and automated communication. Whether you're running recurring donation campaigns, peer to peer fundraising, or event based contributions, Donorbox simplifies every step of the process, ensuring that organizations can focus more on their mission and less on administrative tasks. With its user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, and deep insights into donor behavior, Donorbox CRM helps nonprofit retain donors, increase donations, and streamline operations. In this video, we'll explore its key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for nonprofits. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive donor management. DonorBox CRM provides a centralized donor database that allows organizations to store and manage donor profiles, track donation history, and analyze engagement levels. Nonprofits can gain deeper insights into donor behavior, ensuring personalized communication and stronger donor relationships. Another key feature is the recurring donations and membership management. The platform enables nonprofits to set up and manage recurring donation programs, making it easy for donors to contribute on a regular basis. It also includes membership management tools for organizations that rely on annual or monthly memberships. This encourages sustainable funding by making it convenient for donors to give consistently. Another key feature is the customizable donation forms and pages. DonorBox offers branded, mobile-friendly donation pages that can be customized to match an organization's website. These forms support multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. This provides a seamless and professional donation experience, increasing conversion rates and donor trust. Another key feature is the peer-to-peer and crowdfunding campaigns. Organizations can empower their supporters to fundraise on their behalf using peer-to-peer fundraising tools. DonorBox also supports crowdfunding campaigns, allowing nonprofits to reach a wider audience. This expands the reach and impact of fundraising efforts by leveraging donor networks. Another key feature is the automated donor communication and receipts. DonorBox automates thank you emails, donation receipts, and follow up messages, ensuring donors receive timely acknowledgments. This saves nonprofits time while enhancing donor engagement and retention through consistent communication. Another key feature is the data-driven reporting and analytics. The built-in reporting dashboard provides real-time donation tracking, donor trends, and campaign performance metrics. Organizations can export reports for deeper analysis. This helps nonprofits make informed decisions and optimize fundraising strategies based on donor data. Another key feature is the seamless integrations with other tools. Donorbox integrates with popular nonprofit tools, including MailChimp, Salesforce, Zapier, and QuickBooks, enabling smooth workflows between fundraising, marketing, and financial management. This ensures efficient operations by connecting donor data with other essential nonprofit software. So, why is Donorbox a great choice? Donorbox stands out as an affordable, easy to use, and feature rich donor management system designed specifically for nonprofits. Its automated fundraising and donor engagement tools help organizations reduce administrative work while increasing donor retention. Unlike traditional CRMs that require extensive customization, Donorbox is ready to use out of the box, making it an ideal choice for small to medium sized nonprofits looking for a simple yet powerful fundraising solution. Its recurring donation features, peer to peer fundraising capabilities, and in depth analytics allow nonprofits to maximize contributions and create lasting donor relationships. So, for organizations looking to increase fundraising efficiency, enhance donor retention, and gain deeper insights into donor engagement, DonorBox is a top tier choice that delivers exceptional value. So basically, DonorBox CRM is an excellent choice or excellent solution for nonprofits seeking to streamline donor management, boost fundraising efforts, and automate donor engagement. With its intuitive interface, recurring giving options, peer to peer fundraising tools, and insightful reporting, it empowers organizations to enhance their fundraising strategies and deepen connections with their supporters. Whether you're a small nonprofit looking to simplify donor tracking or a larger organization seeking advanced donor engagement tools, DonorBox provides a cost effective and scalable solution that helps nonprofits thrive. By leveraging its robust features, organizations can increase donor retention, optimize fundraising campaigns, and focus on making a greater impact in their communities. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.